Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren claims many MLAs from other political parties have approached to join the BJP. Health Minister Langpong Jayant Kumar espouses cultivation and promotion of economically viable native medicinal plants and herbs to boost Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Lepao Haukip urges youths to be healthy and self-reliant on NSS Golden Jubilee Year 2019 observance. Kabul police arrest 2 more drug peddlers from Tripura following arrest of 4 miscreants with WY tablets from Folkdale, Kairendi on August 24. Renowned international fashion designer Robert Naurin's Ima collection bags Best Design Award at Milan Fashion Week. And AMEC announces to confer annual Lifetime Achievement Award 2019 of Manipur Matamishay upon singer Yensembam Vilasini. Kurumjuri, good evening. You're watching Tuesday Primetime English News on Impact TV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with you. Our top story this evening. Chief Minister Nongthom Bambiren has claimed that many MLAs from other political parties have approached to join the BJP and necessary processes are underway to obtain permission from BJP central leaders. Biren said the same at the reception of 5 Congress councillors of Yairipok Municipal Council into the BJP at the party office in Kanchipur today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Biren asserted that there is no tension among state BJP leaders and that state cabinet reshuffle is being discussed. Mentioning about the 3 MLAs who recently met with the governor, Biren stated that he met with one of the MLAs and the MLA told him that they went to meet the governor for some small talks. Chief Minister further claimed that the economic condition of the state has considerably enhanced with the coming of the BJP-led state government, which is just around a 2-year and 3-month, excluding the period of the election code of conduct. Stating that the BJP keeps public welfare as the top priority, Biren claimed that more and more people are joining the party as their faith and trust in the party have increased over time.
हानागी लेरम फिल्म दगी याम फगटना लेबंग में स्टेट की रेवेन्यू 497 करोड़ खतंग आयरम बनी फंगम बनी सही की एनुअली बट होजिक 1000 क्रॉस तोरे हाइब पुनमक से कराई दगी लाकनो हाइब कान खोगी स्टेट सिद पीस लेरकप बन ब्लॉक के लेरकतब प्रजा मयाम से अयुक की नुंगदांगी माना माना थोकप ngमनब चेनरकप होनरकप थबक तोरकप अदो याम मरुइना सरकार सिना अहोब लेरम ब्लेक करीदा टैक्सेशन की खंगदे रेवेन्यू द लाकदब पोन मयाम से होरगा चलम मयाम दो सेक तोरकप अहोब मेलकपदुना मरम मरकांदा स्टेट के रेवेन्यू हैंगलकपनी लोइना जीएसटी सेंटरना चलाइरकपदगी हाइरिबा पोट मयामसिना ओरकांदा खगी स्टेट हुजिक अतै स्टेट का सांगदबनबदा याम का हेना नोक्त्रबदुंगम स्टेट अमा ओरे.
Health Minister Langpong Jayant Kumar has urged people to cultivate and promote economically viable medicinal plants and herbs found in the state to boost income. He was speaking at the extensive awareness workshop on the benefits of Ningthau Kongli, which is scientifically known as Tinospora cordifolia in the treatment of diabetes, arthritis and dengue today. State Medicinal Plants Board Manipur along with Tonjau Educational Trust Thanga Hashnam Laikai organized the program at Kiamba Ningxing Sanglen in Bishnupur district. Minister Jayant Kumar disclosed that the government has earmarked 1 lakh rupees each for every district for cultivation of economically viable native medicinal plants. Senior scientist of CSIR Jorhat, Dr. Hohanlal Mirgango Das from Agro Protexia Biotech, New Delhi, Director of Devabon Bio Agrotech Bridget Burman and President of All Manipur Trained Medicinal and Aromatic Promoters Consortium P. Devakanta Singh spoke as resource persons on the benefits of Dinospora cordifolia during the technical session of the workshop.
Kamay ito nang may pantang mo dito nang pisah di pai ko ni. Yang pisah pai ka gili may pag dati may pantang ka pa ni. Sayang ka din nang drone nung yakip lang mo eh. May atu ba talaga di ako da nature asok sa akong mag-give magkudol mapi na ako di laira kanga. Ako naman si kanjin di ko kito magino na habi sa hangingay na. Sericulture, horticulture, then agriculture, then medicinal plant board. State
NSS Cell Manipur held the Golden Jubilee Year celebrations of National Service Scheme and SS at Kumal Lampak Auditorium today. Speaking at the event, Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Lepao Haukip stated that society will be deemed developed only youths are healthy and self-sustainable. He asserted a well-disciplined youth will never go wasted. Minister Lepao Haukip encouraged the youth to be altruistic by stating that one can find true peace and happiness in helping others. Taking part in the event, Youth Affairs and Sports Commissioner Bobby Wycombe stated that NSS volunteers should be selfless and strive to bring welfare in the society. NSS members took out a peace rally and NSS awardees were felicitated on the occasion. YAS Director Dr. H. Harmit Singh Pahuja, former NSS officer A. Adhari Mahayo, YAS officials and many people attended the event.
Aiso na harona mo ay hurag pa ni ngasi Manipur. Lengak ta yauri ni. Masi soy daban noy marakta IAS official lakani commissioner kara director kara businessman kara politician adumla noy na palaw doy ni aisin. Ada ngasi noy tayari tawba horo ay ba. Everybody, every day, every walk nang tawriba so iba kuding maksi count tawbani hora bani ngasi countdown.
Member of Parliament from Outer Manipur constituency, Dr. Lorho S. Fose launched Sangsad Adarsh Gram Yojana at Daili village in Kangpokpi district yesterday. Speaking on the occasion, MP Dr. Lorho stated that Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Sangsad Adarsh Gram Yojana in 2014 with an aim to uplift every villages of the country. He maintained that under the scheme, every members of the parliament should adopt a Gram Panchayat to bring social development. Dr. Lorho declared that he, as a member of the parliament, has adopted Daili village to convert into a model village under the scheme. A team of Thoubal police has arrested 2 more drug peddlers from Tripura on September 19 after they have apprehended 4 miscreants with WY tablets from Fogdale Kairembi on August 24th. The 2 arrested persons are 29-year-old Juthan Malakar, son of Shyamal Malakar from Kamalpur village, and 22-year-old Tanmoy Pal, son of Tapan Kanti from Dupirbong, North Tripura. An SIT police team formed to probe the Fogdale Kairembi case led by Additional SP Law and Order of Thoubal Police, Thingnam Desorjit MPS, and supervised by ADGP Law and Order Lufeng Kailung, IGP Zone 1 Clay Kongsai IPS, and Thoubal SP Dr. S. Bomcha left for Tripura on September 18. The police team then arrested the 2 people and seized 1 Ford Eco Sports bearing registration number TR01 BD0259 from them on September 19. They were produced before Belonia Special Judge in South Tripura. Following the court's order to put them into 4-day transit remand, the police team returned to Imphal. A man who impersonated as cadre of proscribed Revolutionary People's Front (RPF) and tried to extort money by showing a toy gun was handed over to Singjamai police station today. The miscreant is 47-year-old Oinam Bisembo, son of Hera from Liwal Lambi Maibam Laikai, Bokul Makong. According to Impact News sources, the incident occurred at 1 Naurem Brojendro's residence in Haubam Marak Kesham Laikai of Imphal West district around 7 this morning. Arrested Bisembo reportedly climbed up the house gate, which was locked, and passed through the courtyard, smashing glass window panes of the house. However, he fell away by jumping over the wall when family members approached him and returned with a toy gun to threaten them. After a short scuffle, the family members managed to catch him. Subsequently, a team of Singjamai police rushed to the house and picked him up. Police has registered a case against the miscreant.
Maparamdi changaka admine to ka phara kan da khoi nong pa chi ka phara kan sigi mam sida namna kan ni mangon degi toigan gi nongmai yawam na palandra mun na thuga kai to chi adu id ma di sem punchal laga dang thamam ka id mai mama na ba ma chamro mayai le kai degi ni hai maming di ai thudok pa khangdre adu ka harang thu dang ngai hori hai kan da adu gi potu da mu ai no mu ma se mu ta na ba mu sat pa ne adu ma tan mu ani du di leiram dre nongmai yawre na haro ni se dum hai re ba hauji gi ma na hauji ai lili leima kan hai do adu gi pot se ma se rpf ka mai lei nei rpf ki ni hai bi gi wal ta da adu mai na hai ba ma adida ko ju aham di ki re the second time la ko je di ma chung ba mu ora ko su tau de ya de thabok ni ma chi kana no khang tu se na dwain taw kan taw ne na ai phat ba sumanen taw bo thabok si yai ki di asing bo ora ka di hoi miyom gi ni adum to bom thok ne ne khal ko ko ju khara mi gi human day ground de yeng jar ga su ko sumana wo de pa de mayam taw kan to bo ja ko de harassment pi si kitang ngai chi.
One woman, Kamjianlu Pamai, wife of Kichulung Nyumai, has been found dead at her residence in Lamprang village under Tamai police station of Tamilong district. Impact News sources said Kichulung informed his wife's sister about the incident over the phone at 7:30 p.m. on September 21st. The deceased woman's sister then informed the police, after which her body was taken to RIMS morgue for further verification. Tamai police has registered a case and investigations are underway. Late Kamjilinu's husband, Kichulung Nyumai, is still missing. Special Judge Pokso Imphal West R.K. Memcha has sentenced a rape convict to 5 years of rigorous imprisonment and a fine of 30,000 rupees today. The rape convict is 30-year-old Paul Kamai, son of Hunthumang Kamai from New Salam Ward number 4 in Tamilong district. The court announced him guilty on September 20th this year of raping a minor girl on September 19, 2017. A combined team of 43rd Assam Rifles and Moreh Police Commando has recovered armaments at Indo-Myanmar border. Impact News sources said that acting on a tip-off, the team led by Major of 43rd Assam Rifles COB Chavangpai, Rajiv and Moreh Commando OC Hemachan carried out a search operation near the fencing of border pillar number 80 by using a sniffer dog of the Assam Rifles. The sniffer dog found a packet near the border fencing and found another packet 100 meters away in a small cab. 2 AK-56 rifles, 2 magazine, 45 live bullets, 1 country-made pistol along with 1 magazine and 2 Chinese hand grenades were found inside those packets. Owner of the arms are still unknown. The recovered items have been handed over to Moreh police station and the police have registered a case. All Manipur Bulk LPG Transporters Association Secretary in a press release informed that All Manipur Bulk LPG Transporters Association and All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Workers Union have withdrawn their strike, which began on September 7th after reaching an understanding with IOCL officials during a meeting chaired by CAF and PD Minister Karam Sham yesterday. MSPDCL has cut off power supply of government offices at Indo-Myanmar border town Moreh for not clearing their pending electricity bills of around 1 crore and 11 lakh rupees. Offices are facing major inconveniences due to the power cut, which was executed as per an order issued by the Executive Director Commercial of Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited. The order instructed to cut off power supply by September 17 upon failure to clear the bills by September 15. Deputy Manager of MSPDCL More, Kamilnen Haukeb, stated that electricity will not be provided until the offices clear their dues. The offices include ADC More Office, PHED, More Trade Center, Mahut and More Hospital. Electricity was provided to More Hospital today as urged by CSO's leaders. Reason behind failure to pay their electricity bill is still unknown. President of All Community Development Organization More, Thangjum Buddha Meitei, has urged the government to look into the matter. Renowned international fashion designer Robert Nauram has showcased his handlooms and textile collections titled IMA at Milan Fashion Week, one of the most prestigious platforms in the fashion industry. He was also accorded the Best Designer Award of the fashion event. The Milan Fashion Week was held at La Fabbrica del Vapore Milano of Italy on September 22nd. Robert has disclosed that he has been invited to showcase his IMA collection in the upcoming New York Fashion Week to be held on February 13, 2020. Speaking to media at Robert Nauram's showroom in Uripog today, Robert Nauram dedicated his achievement to his late mother, weavers of the state and his team. He asserted that his IMA collection is based on the theme of unity of hills and valley inhabitants, culture and tradition of Manipur, Khambat Thoibi dance and the world famous Loktak Lake. Stating that everyone at the event appreciated his work, Robert expressed happiness and astonishment over getting the Best Designer Award.
Award se aigi nate miyam gini aduga Manipur mayam gi pride ni yam chauthok chaba phawe country kaya saruk yaba mafam khoi phasa khasa dress miyam marak tu da ithanda wakhan khale dubu isada ninghan na badi laikide akhoi Manipuri gi dress se laga tholok matam da atopa mi miyam designers gi loi yeng lai akhoi colors akhoi gi mayek akhoi gi mawung matau miyam se u matam da ki se u matam da khoi yam pen ba ma phau ki lai harau ba sizna ba pe tribal gi spears tangkhul naga gi ta amadi urik sets na khoina kokta headgear na sizna ri signifies that tradition khoi gi language haidi maitai me khakpa phi ama yawi akhoi gi history de lera aba akhoi khamba thoibi di loktak se khoina phi da oina khoina mayek oina haktuna puthoga akhoi gi historic oiba itihas sa akhoi gi phazaraba akhoi gi Manipur gi damningai oiba amadi Manipur gi chauthok chaningai oiba mayek amadi Manipur da leiriba history oiba pochai singja ina phi da oina seasonara ha aga fashion capital oiba phamza uchakibani.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on upcoming AMIC 16th Manipur Matam Ishai Numid 2019. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Tuesday Prime Time English News on Impact TV. Apunba Manipur Matam Ishai Kanglup AMIC has announced to confer the annual Lifetime Achievement Award of Manipur Matam Ishai upon singer Yensembam Bilashini. The award includes a shawl, a citation, a memento and cash award of 20,000 rupees. The Lifetime Achievement Award will be given in the 16th Manipur Matam Ishai Numid to be held at the auditorium of Indian Medical Association in Lamphel on September 29th and 30th. Speaking to media at AMIC office in Yeshkul Janmasthan today, AMIC General Secretary M. Dhananjoy stated that a 9-membered selection committee nominated 3 persons for the award and finally chose singer Yensembam Bilashini for the award. He also stated that 3 subcommittees of AMIC, namely AMIC Music Subcommittee, AMIC Singers Subcommittee and AMIC Lyricist Subcommittee were formed to strengthen AMIC during the special general body meeting of AMIC held on September 22nd. He maintained that respective district units have been advised to function properly and AMIC has also formed a music band transfer policy and will be effective from September 23rd. M. Dhananjoy stated that as per the new policy, any band member should stay with their respective band for at least 3 years. The AMIC General Secretary also announced that duration for music concerts in the state should not exceed 4 hours and concert should conclude before 12 midnight. M. Dhananjay stated that the ban will be relaxed for the 123rd birth anniversary patriotic song competition jointly organized by BPCM and Lamyanba Irawat Ningsing Tharam Observation Committee.
Amiki lemjaningai oiraba Manipur matam isaigi lamda piba Lifetime Achievement Award 2019 asi handak chahigi oina Yensembam Bilasini Oza Bilasini da piragani Aukiba September gi tang kunithoi 2019 ingda pangthokiba amiki special general body mifamna hauji oiriba amiki organization asibu hena pangal leina amadi mating thokna thabak thoram pangthoknaba amasung Kudong Sanaba, Gidamak, Tongan ba subcommittee semle, Matam Isegi Kongset Asida, Mapung Pana, Amadi, Unity Laina, Yamna Machuta na Pangtokpa, the Mating, Wenanam Gidama, Music Ban Transfer Policy Ama Ekoi, Lautoksare, Policy Asi September Gitang Kulumdui Asidagi, Sanaba Horagani.
Mahuni Hood President T.H. Arun has stated that a Mani Hood team will go on an expedition tour titled Igi Kongul Langdai Wari with an aim to enhance ties with Manipuri diasporas in Bangladesh. Speaking to media at Ima Kontohanbi Sanglen in DM University campus today, T.H. Arun stated that the expedition team will leave Imphal on November 10th and return on November 17th. He stated the team, consisting of many renowned Manipuri film actors and actresses, will showcase various activities based on the customs and tradition of Meitei community to Manipuri diasporas living in Bangladesh.
Cultural program yauri, tree plantation yauri, aduga interaction ki program yauri, aduga maruina football match susanagadaba leba. Sigumba aduma kongchani yamna maruiba kongchat amani masina ekoi ki marakta Bangladesh lai bichil nau singa ekoi Manipur da lai bichil nau singi marakta yamna power relation ama sagat kadoba aduga kongchat amani hainai thamjage. Maruiba ekoi ki pandamdi ekoi ki marakta ada ekoi ki atopa country da lai ba atopa bichil nau singa ekoi ki mari di oijaba adubu tongan mafamda lai khraba singsiga ekoi ki Manipur ki chanaba culture ki oiba siguma myam asi ekoi sakhang minakanda ekoi tanaminakanda ekoi ki relation ama ekoi thaina dagi leijar relation adu saganabagi pandamdane ekoi chachagadurba.
Convener of Cultural Subcommittee Manipur Sangai Festival in a press release invited application from intending Master of Ceremony for Cultural Programs of Manipur Sangai Festival 2019 to submit their resume at the Office of Director, Art and Culture, Palace Compound latest by October 15. State Council of Educational Research Training SCRT kicked off NISTA Integrated Teacher Training Program for Key Resource Persons KRP and State Resource Persons SRP under Samagra Shiksha at ICM Hall in Lamphulpad today. Speaking on the occasion, Joint Secretary of NCRT CIET New Delhi, Dr. A.P. Bahera urged teachers to be fully aware about the POCSO Act. He mentioned that over 42 lakh teachers of class 1 to 8 have already benefited under NISTA across the country. He stated the program aimed to bring holistic advancement of over 14,000 teachers of Manipur. Dr. A.P. Bahera stated that the teachers will be trained on various fields divided into 3 categories. He stressed the need for teachers to be fully aware about POCSO Act in handling their students. Training for KRP will be held for 5 days, while training for SRP will be held for 2 days.
There are some communication gap in training many times when we organize training, because we use 3 to 4 layer training. So we first of all at national level resource person, they train the state level resource person, then district level, then block level, then going to teachers. So to reduce the particularly limitations of cascade mode of training and reduce the communication gap, only 2 layers of training has been planned. One is first the national level trainers, about 120 national level trainers who will be in 8 different groups, and each group will constitute 15 national level resource person. They will be training the key resource person and state resource person leadership, and directly these key resource person will be training the teachers.
Manipuri film actor Mahesh Thongnaujam will be appointed as the president of Republican Party of India, a Manipur State Committee tomorrow. MOS Social Justice and Empowerment Ramdas Athwale, who is also the national president of RPIA, will arrive in Imphal tomorrow to inaugurate the party Manipur State Committee office, which will be followed by a party meeting at Lamboi Khongnangkong Trade and Expo Center. President of Assam State RPIA, Hitesh Deori, disclosed the same to media at the inaugurated party office to be near Kishampat Ahibam Laikai Churachandpur parking today. He further disclosed that Mahesh Thongnaujam has been chosen as party general secretary for the entire North-East states. Hitesh Deori added that the members of RPIA Manipur State Committee will also be announced tomorrow.
Tomorrow we are going to have a good time with Minister. He'll talk with the public. He will discuss about all the disabled persons' problem, about NGOs, about our party programs, everything. So he will be landing tomorrow around 2 o'clock. After that, we are going to have like our office inauguration program. Then after that, we will go for our public meeting, Republican Party of India meeting. Our newly committee is been organized. Our committee is formed in northeastern level. That is to unite all the 80 states of Republican Party of India. So newly we have appointed Mr. Maheshji as a General Secretary for Northeast Republican United Committee.
An awareness program on National Nutrition Month was held at Ibudho Wangrel Khana Chauba Shrine in Akampat, Imphal East today. District Administration, Imphal East, Uchekon Nongchup Jilla Parishad, Torban Khetri Laikai Gram Panchayat, Khongman Gram Panchayat, Uchekon Nongpo Gram Panchayat, Uchekon Nongchup Gram Panchayat and ICDS Project Imphal East jointly organized the program. Imphal East DC Dr. Rangita Bali, Uchekon Nongchup Jilla Parishad member Seram Nekal, Imphal East Jilla Parishad CEO NG Jogendra and other eminent persons attended the event. Speaking on the occasion, Uchekon Nongchup Jilla Parishad member Seram Nekal stressed on the importance of consuming nutritious food by pregnant women to give birth to healthy babies.
राष्ट्रीय पोषण माह की थौरम से सेप्टेम्बर थादा पांथोकपनी अदुसी अखोई एरिया की ओइना ngasi मयाम दा अवेयर ओइननाबा दुगा मोस्टली अखोगी अंगनवाड़ी वर्कर्स सिंग हेल्पर्स सिंग अदगी आशागी लेबिरिबा कनो सिंग मयाम सि पुन्ना खंगमिनरगा अखोइना हेना मसा मउ फबा अंगांग मयाम अमा दगी ममागी हेल्थ न्यूट्रिशन अदसिगुम मयाम सिदा फोकस तौरगा पांथोकचबनी.
Manipur University Students Union MUSU kicked off a two-day 24th Manipur University Inter-College Literary Meet at the Centenary Hall of Manipur University today. Dean of Students' Welfare of Manipur University, Professor Ratan Kumar, Dean of School of Mathematics and Physical Science, Professor Rajamohan, and MUSU President K. Levanan attended the event. Students from various colleges affiliated to Manipur University are taking part in dance and music performances, poetry recitation, debating competition and various other events. An awareness program on nematodes was held at Yaripok Top Chingtha in Imphal East today. Directorate of Research, All India Coordinated Research Project on Nematodes in Agriculture of Central Agriculture University, CAU Imphal Center, organized the event. CAU Imphal Assistant Nematologist Dr. K.S.H. Sumita enlightened the attending farmers on how to ward off nematodes attacks on crops at the event. Around 50 farmers attended the program held in 2 sessions. District level stakeholders meeting come workshop on CSA evaluation and prioritization under scaling out climate smart agriculture for resilient farmer in India project was held at KVK Chandal Conference Hall today. Speaking at the event, DC Chandal Krishna Kumar IAS urged all the stakeholders to work earnestly to attain India's target to double farmers' income by 2022. Joint Director of the Department of Veterinary Science, Chandal, District Agriculture Officer, Chandal, District Statistics Officer, Chandal, and Executive Engineer of MYD Lamphil, 20 progressive farmers of Chandal, Kenjoy, and Chakpi Karong and staffs of KBK Chandal attended the program. The Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare (RDNPR) has selected Department of Agriculture, Government of Manipur for Krishi Karman Award 2017-18 for Best Performing State in Overall Food Grains Production Category 3. The award consists of a trophy, a citation and cash award of 5 crore rupees. Kaithel Manbi Battalion of 9 Sector Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGR South in collaboration with Manipur Archery Association kicked off a 3-day state-level archery championship at Kaithel Manbi Garrison yesterday. 60 archers including 17 female archers from 12 archery clubs across Manipur participated in the Indian qualifying rounds of the competition on the first day. Compound and recurve qualifying rounds will be conducted today. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren claims many MLAs from other political parties have approached to join the Bharatiya Janata Party. Health Minister Langpong Lakpam Jayantakumar espouses cultivation and promotion of economically viable native medicinal plants and herbs to boost income. Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Lepao Haukib urges youths to be healthy and self-reliant on NSS Golden Jubilee Year 2019 observance. Thawal police arrest 2 more drug peddlers from Tripura following arrest of 4 miscreants with WI tablets from Fogdale, Kairembi on August 24. Renowned international fashion designer Robert Naren's Ima collection bag Best Designer Award at Milan Fashion Week. And AMEC announces to confer annual Lifetime Achievement Award 2019 of Manipur Matamishe upon singer Yensembam Bilashini.